In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily insert and use the divide symbol in Microsoft Word. Whether you're drafting mathematical documents or just need to include the symbol in your text, it's a straightforward process that I'm excited to walk you through. We'll begin by ensuring you have a Word document ready to work on. Open up Microsoft Word and navigate to the specific document where you'd like to insert the divide symbol. If you're starting fresh, just open a new document and prepare to follow along. Now, once you're in your document, you want to direct your attention to the top of your Word interface. Up on that ribbon, where all your handy tools are located, you should see the Insert tab. Click on this and you'll unlock a variety of options. What we're particularly interested in right now is the Equation feature. This tool is versatile and primarily used for inserting complex mathematical formulas, but it's just as effective for adding singular symbols like the one we're focused on today. Upon clicking Equation, you'll notice a new box appears within your document. This is an equation box, and it serves as the workspace for mathematical notations. It will allow you to seamlessly integrate equations and symbols without disrupting the flow or format of your text. It's a really useful feature for anyone frequently working with mathematical content. Once this box is live in your document, it's time to insert the divide symbol specifically. Look towards the Symbols group in the Equation tools. The divide symbol, conveniently, is right there in plain sight. This saves you from having to dig through more symbols or search menus. It's easily accessible. Just click on the divide symbol and watch it appear in your equation box. And there you have it. The process is simple, effective, and allows you to continue creating and formatting your document with minimal disruption. This method is excellent when you're aiming to keep things clean and professional, especially in academic or technical writing. While we're wrapping up, here's a little tip. Once you're comfortable using the Equation feature for simple symbols like the divide sign, you can start exploring its potential for inserting more complex mathematical expressions. It's a powerful tool and well worth getting familiar with. In summary, we've walked through locating the Insert tab, selecting Equation to bring up your workspace, and then simply choosing the divide symbol from the options available. I hope this guide helps you incorporate mathematical symbols into your work more efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Keep exploring the different features of Word to enhance your documents. Happy writing!